Kia ora koutou. Hi there, I'm Lauren Parsons. To wrap up this series that I've been doing as part of Mental Health Awareness Week, today I wanted to have a little kōrero with you and share the last one of my Live Well principles, which is the Restore principle. And as I've done throughout the week, I'm just going to share one specific tip that's going to help you to be able to boost your mental well-being. So in the links down below, I have got a little gift for you today as well, and that is an audio and video. It's actually an 8-minute progressive muscle relaxation. So it's the best way that I know of to be able to relieve stress and physical tension from your body, as well as leaving you feeling refreshed. It's great to do either as a little 8-minute break in the middle of your day to recharge, or else it's fantastic just before you go to sleep in the evening. So that progressive muscle relaxation, where I actually talk you through tensing and releasing all the tension from your body and practicing diaphragmatic breathing. That's my gift from me to you, and I encourage you to download it so you can put the audio on your phone or watch it on YouTube and just watch it as often as you like. I've had great feedback about that, so enjoy that. But just today, I just wanted to do a quick little exercise with you to give you one way to be able to shift your body's physiology in an instant, to shift yourself out of fight or flight mode into that cool, calm, rest, restore, digest, repair mode. So out of the red fight or flight zone, the SNS, the sympathetic nervous system, into that blue, calm PNS, parasympathetic nervous system. Now the only part of that autonomic nervous system that you can influence is your breathing. Okay, you can't speed up the rate that your hair grows or your skin repairs, but you can influence the way that you breathe. So I invite you right now with me, wherever you are, whether you're seated or standing, just to put one hand on your chest and one on your belly, and just to check in with how you're breathing now. Just see what's going on with your breath. The amazing thing about our breathing, as I say, is we don't have to think about it, but you can breathe intentionally. And the more often that you can breathe deeply and diaphragmatically, allowing your diaphragm to come down, your lungs to fully expand, that sends a message back to your brain saying that you are feeling calm and centered and in control. So in moments when you don't feel that way, this is exceptionally powerful, okay, because your body's physiology will lead your psychology to follow suit. Okay, so what you're doing with your body will shift how you feel. So hopefully you've had a chance to check in with your breathing now. What I'm going to invite you to do is to start to focus on ballooning your belly out as you breathe in. So the bottom hand will be moving while your chest is staying relatively still. So let's just breathe out, relax, and let's do it together. Take a deep breath in. Balloon the belly out, relax your neck and shoulders, relax your glutes, and then as you breathe out through your mouth so you can just hear it, relax the belly back in. Let's do that again. Deep breath in, balloon the belly. Slow, gentle, relaxed. Pause at the full point. Breathe out. Relax the belly in. Just continue with that. Deep breath in, balloon the belly. Relax your earlobes. Breathe out. And relax. Let's do 2 more deep breaths together. Breathe in, balloon the belly. Pause at the full point. Breathe out. And relax. 1 more deep breath. Hopefully that bottom hand is moving. Top hand staying quite still. Balloon the belly. Pause. And relax. Now the key thing is to find some way to integrate that style of breathing into your day to day. Okay, it'd be fantastic to spend the entire day being able to breathe diaphragmatically, but most of us have lost that natural skill. If you look at kids and animals, they're great at it. Have a look at a cat when they're asleep, their whole body expands. Okay, kids are great at it. But for some reason we've gone around and we've started to believe the media messages that tell us we have to suck in our tummies and stick out our chests. So I encourage you to let go of that. Relax and allow your belly to move as you breathe. It's going to create this amazing positive cascade effect in your body's physiology and in how you feel. A great way to link it in, as I say, to remember to do it throughout the day, is every time that you wash your hands, while you're spending those 20 seconds washing your hands, pause, focus on what you're doing, be present in the moment, and take 3 deep, slow breaths. Okay, breathing in slowly, pausing at the full point, breathing out even more slowly. Hope that you find that helps you to restore that instant calm in your body. And as I say, it's something that you can practice, train that skill, use it throughout your day, and it's really going to influence your well-being. So I just wanted to finish by saying a huge thank you for joining me this week for this series of short videos. I hope that you found them uplifting and encouraging. If you haven't seen all the others, do go back, because I shared about gratitude to uplift your thoughts on Monday. I shared a great vinaigrette to nourish your body on Tuesday. I talked about snacking on exercise to invigorate you on Wednesday, and yesterday I talked about strengthening your social connection, and today we've covered off restore. So that's been a very quick, tiny intro into the Live Well principles. If you want to find out more, feel free to head to the website laurenparsonswellbeing.com and just head to the link below to grab that grab that audio, I should say. There's that audio download, that progressive muscle relaxation. My gift from me to you. I hope that you enjoy it. Feel free to reach out if I can help with anything else. Go well, and I'll see you soon. Ka kite anō.